Hey, what's up guys? We are here again. We're going to do a quick short little video on replacing Gerard's power steering rack. We had a little curb incident a while ago and we replaced inner and outer tie rods and a rim that was cracked, and ever since then there's just been kind of a slow power steering leak. So what we're going to do now is take the old one out, throw in a refurbished one, and go for a test drive, and then alignment and another test drive. So if you look under here, it is just kind of a mess. It's leaking on the driver's side and nothing on the passenger side. So it's probably leaking from here. Alright, we're under the car here. I have got the tie rod end links busted loose. I've got power steering lines off. I've got main mounting bolts off. And I've got the steering column bolt off. Now we can take the nuts off of these. Okay, so right now I'm actually flaring the low pressure side. What I did was I cut it and bent it out of the way so that it wasn't interfering with the high pressure side, and because of this whole stripping of the rack situation, I'm actually going to take the rack back out, put the lines together, put them on, and then put the rack in the car. It's the small things, like because I'm practically stripping it, not stripping it, there's still threads on the inside. So right now I'm just trying to get any piece of metal that is in there out. Since I cut and chopped that low pressure side of the power steering, I have to extend the hose going to it, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that, put that on there, and then there's some transmission cooler lines under there I want to take care of, and then throw the wheels back on, go for a test drive. I've got the steering column bolted in, the two main bolts, both of the tie rod nuts with cotter pins, and both of the lines back on there soon.
sure if you can hear me because of all of this noise. We got the exhaust, we got the differential whining. That might be the transmission because the tail shaft bearing is shot. I don't know, but we fixed the rack and pinion on this one, and it feels a lot stiffer. It's not wandering everywhere now, and I gave it just a little bit of a toe in as opposed to where it came from. So she's gonna go get an alignment probably tomorrow or the day after that, after she gets tires, and it should be 100% after that. If you haven't already, go ahead and head over to my Facebook page. It's Oneils Garage, where I post exclusive updates like photos and videos of what we're doing in the shop like this before it hits YouTube. I also have an Instagram, Oneils Garage 760. Both of those links will be in the description down below. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button for me. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments down below. And yeah, what's next with this thing?